Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to live stream on YouTube on a phone. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the first method of doing it, which is through YouTube itself, of course. And this is only if your account will be eligible. So go ahead and open up our YouTube here. And just below you'll see in circle a plus. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be given the option to go ahead to go live. So once you go live, you'll get this normally as a screen here for eligibility. So it says your channel does not meet our updated eligibility requirements. So just means that the account isn't suited for it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you another method to bypassing this. So on the App Store, go ahead and search for Streamlabs. Now you'll get this very pop-up here, Streamlabs live streaming. Go ahead and click that. So we'll open it now. We have it fully downloaded, so we'll go ahead and click next. So it'll ask you what you will be using it for, either to stream your camera or your games. We're going to go ahead and click stream your camera, and now you can select the layout. We're going to go for default, and yes, we need to go live to enable camera and microphone. And for the notifications, it's not necessary, so we'll just go and click not now. We'll go ahead and click OK on that. So happy enough with the privacy settings. So yep, as you can see, you'll see the go live button. Click on it. Go ahead and log into your YouTube. You'll see it there. Then all you need to do is sign in. Once you've signed in, you'll see now that you've got your YouTube logged in. So all you need to do now is go ahead and go live and select a platform, which is YouTube, and click on an event. So we'll create an event. We'll just call it tutorial. And then of course you can add your description. So it's as easy as that. This is how to pretty much bypass it without having several subscribers on your YouTube. So there you have it guys, that is how to live stream on YouTube on a phone without the requirements. If you guys enjoyed the video, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.